Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Celebration Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Our dedicated professionals are well versed in the logistics of local moves, ensuring that every detail is carefully planned and executed. At 3 Movers, we prioritize the safety and security of your possessions. Our Celebration Local TM movers are trained in proper packing techniques to safeguard your fragile items, and we use high-quality packing materials to protect your belongings from any potential damage during transport. Additionally, our team is familiar with Celebration streets and traffic patterns, allowing us to navigate efficiently and avoid unnecessary delays. From the initial packing stage to the safe loading and transportation of your items, our Celebration long-distance 3 Movers prioritize the security and integrity of your possessions. At 3 Movers, we have established a vast network of trusted partners across different states and regions. This enables us to efficiently coordinate your move, providing you with timely delivery to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Celebration moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.